Welcome to the Defense and Safety Engineering channel. Today we bring you a powerful update from India's defense sector, the arrival of the US-made Apache AH-64E attack helicopters for the Indian Army. The first consignment of 3 Apache AH-64E helicopters is set to arrive in India on July 21st, landing at the Hindon Air Force Station. These combat helicopters will significantly boost the Indian Army's offensive and tactical capabilities. The remaining 3 Apaches are expected to be delivered by the end of the year. This delivery comes under a $600 million deal, signed during US President Donald Trump's visit to India in 2020, for 6 AH-64E Apache helicopters specifically intended for the Indian Army. These helicopters are not just advanced machines, they're known as tanks in the air for a reason. The Apache AH-64E is a next-generation multi-role attack helicopter built for precision strikes, deep reconnaissance, and effective operation in high-threat, contested environments. But these helicopters aren't just modern, they're combat-proven. The Apache AH-64 first gained global attention during the Gulf War in 1991, when it launched the opening strike of Operation Desert Storm. Armed with precision-guided Hellfire missiles, it eliminated enemy radar sites and armored columns with devastating precision. Since then, the Apache has seen action in Iraq, Afghanistan, and multiple other conflict zones, where it has earned a reputation for reliability, survivability, and lethal firepower. The Indian Army formed its first Apache squadron over 15 months ago in Jodhpur, but operational deployment was delayed due to global supply chain issues and shifting geopolitical priorities. Now, that squadron is finally ready to become active. So, what makes the Apache AH-64E truly special? Well, let's break it down. Advanced targeting systems allow it to detect, track, and engage targets in all weather and lighting conditions. With night vision and navigation, it enables full-scale night fighting capabilities, making around-the-clock operations possible. The Apache packs serious precision attack power, being armed with a 30mm chain gun, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets. Standoff capability means it can engage targets from a safe distance, reducing vulnerability to enemy air defenses. And of course, it's fully integrated into the modern digital battlefield, offering real-time data sharing and situational awareness through network-centric warfare. India already operates 22 Apache AH-64E helicopters with the Indian Air Force, delivered by Boeing between 2019 and 2020. These are deployed across 2 squadrons, one in Pathankot, housing the first batch of 8 Apaches, and the other in Jorhat, under the HU-137 squadron. Now, with 6 additional Apaches for the Indian Army, India is establishing a joint strike capability, enhancing coordination and operational synergy during complex missions. With the induction of the Apache AH-64E, the Indian Army takes a major leap forward in strengthening its combat aviation power, particularly for land-based operations in rugged terrain and high-threat environments. These tanks in the air are now ready to reshape the battlefield. If you found this update insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Defense and Safety Engineering channel for more content on India's military modernization and strategic developments. Jai Hind.